direction, so that infers that you have strong rotation going on. Pardon me, let me look at something. Still seeing a very well-developed hook, and it's just now crossing into DeKalb County. Just now crossing, I think, into DeKalb County. This thing is really moving. Yes, it is. Yes, it's right on the DeKalb County line. Geraldine, Lakeview, take cover right now. If you're in Geraldine, do your tornado precautions immediately. This thing is headed right towards you. That's going to come very close to the Lakeview, Geraldine area in the next few minutes.
You doing your camera, Jim?
Dan, it's Highway 75.
You doing your camera?
That's Highway 75, of course. It's been a long day. Normally, I would know that off the top of my head. Yeah, Highway 75. This thing is tracking right down Highway 75 from Albertville to Lakeview and Geraldine area. So those of you who live along Highway 75, you should be in a safe place right now. Still seeing strong rotation on this, and still seeing a tornado vortex signature. Armor is still showing it as well, and still seeing a hook echo on Armor right now. Still seeing that, and look at the row. And again, I will pass on Elise out at UAH, one of the PhD students out there working with Walt, using Armor data, dual polarimetric data for research, and they have been trying to maybe build an algorithm that would detect debris, and they think they are seeing some debris out of this right now. They have notified us, and they've also notified the National Weather Service. So we've also let the National Weather Service know what Carson was hearing. So we're going to continue to trade information and let everyone know what we're seeing over the next few minutes. Yes, that's a good idea. Thank you. I'm going to update the storm track right now. And I'm going to have to do that. Okay. It's going to be right there. Let me move this first over a little bit. Okay, good. All right, here goes. I'm going to draw that right through Geraldine, and I'm going to give it 40, 45, 43 miles an hour. Let's tilt that up to about there. The velocity data here, right there. And I know that's a jumble to you, but believe me, meteorologists see that and know that's an extremely strong rotation there as it moves off to the east. Let me go back here and show the storm track again. This thing is in general heading toward the Fort Payne area. It's going to cross north of Collinsville. We're fairly confident of that, but it's going to be not far north of Collinsville. It's also going to be north of Crossville, but it's going to be very close to the Geraldine area. Very close to the Geraldine area. If you are over there and you have internet and want to pass a message to me on Twitter, put the hashtag WHNTWX for WHNT weather. Let me repeat that.
Again, if you're in Albertville, you want to just hang out a little bit longer, even though it looks like the main storm is now north and east of Albertville, but again, in Albertville, another half hour maybe, and then you'll be okay. But again, DeKalb County, we're watching that.
What's that noise? Sounds like a train.
More sirens going on?
No. It just said seek shelter now.
You're never thinking that's a good thing.
I'm gonna be in a tornado with my pants down.
Never a good thing with a tornado with your pants down.
And I got my socks on.
Who's got the whistle? God forbid, don't forget the whistle. Ooh, baby, missed a good one. What's wrong with it?
I don't know. I can't get it to do anything.
Comes an airboat.
There's an airboat back there fishing. Yeah, I see lights way back there in the cove too.
Yeah, they probably heard that seek shelter now. Fuck the causeway.
Yeah, no shit. What the hell was that?
Better. Can I look at? I can't see when the clouds light up way out there. Or they're not this close.
Pretty calm here.